Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let's get continue with this build and let's see what surprises are waiting underneath these. So let's get start by removing the rear seat. In this bike, to remove the rear seat, we have a wire here. We have a wire here. We have to pull it like that, and eventually the seat will come out. So you have to pull the wire and then lift the seat like that, and the seat will come out. Let me put it at the side. After that, we have a bolt here inside the seat, as you can see, but this is broken in my case. This bolt right here, you have to open this bolt, but mine was just broken, so I can lift the seat, put it at the side. This is the inside of the seat, some cloth. These are backlight connectors, some indicator connectors, and the wiring is zip tied. The wiring is zip tied with the chassis, as you can see. So let's remove the fuel tank. Okay, to remove the fuel tank, we have a 10 mm bolt right here, so you have to open it first. So this is the bolt with the washer. I have removed the bolt. Now we have to lift it up like that. Now before you lift the tank, you need to make sure that there is nothing connected with the tank. No electrical connection or any fuel connection. In my case, I think there is nothing connected with it. There is nothing connected with it. So let's remove it. So pull the tank back a little bit and then lift it up like that. Put this aside. So this is the wiring. And this is the rectifier regulator unit. Some wires are cut in this rectifier, as you can see. This is connected with the wiring. connectors are a little bit dirty, so let's remove the rectifier. These are also 10 mm bolts. These are some grounding wires. I have another bolt, but this is not working. Okay, now the rectifier regulator can be removed. Some repair works has been done. So now the rectifier regulator is removed. I think maybe this is not the right rectifier of this bike, and the wires are previously cut by someone, as you can see. Some repair works have also done in here. Okay, so guys, that's all about the electrical connections in this bike. As you can see, the bike doesn't have a CDI, so to start this bike we need the CDI as well as a rectifier regulator, and this bike don't have a battery, so I have to buy the battery as well. And here the starter relay plugs in, so I have to buy a starter relay as well. And ignition coils are there. I don't know these are good or bad, so we're gonna check it out. And to start this bike we need 3 items here, so let's go buy some parts. So guys, I have the spare parts catalog of this bike, Bajaj Pulsar 135 LS. As you can see, Pulsar 135 LS spare parts catalog from Bajaj. So let's find our parts. We are looking for the part number of the CDI unit and rectifier regulator unit. Right here, I think. Yes, this is the CDI of the bike, number 7. So this is the part number here. This is the part number for CDI. This is the part number for CDI. And we also need the rectifier regulator unit. So this is the regulator rectifier unit, number 13. Number 13 has a part number of this one. This is the part number of our rectifier regulator. Okay. And the ignition coils, number 5. The ignition coil have part number of this. This one is for left hand side, and this one is for right hand side. I don't know our ignition coils are good or not. If goes bad, then I'm gonna buy it. Okay, so guys, we also need the battery of this bike. As you can see, they use 12 volt 5 ampere hour battery. So I'm gonna buy a 12 volt 5 ampere hour battery. This is actually a maintenance battery, but I'm gonna go with a maintenance free battery for this build. So let's go buy some parts. So guys, I have bought all the parts. As you can see, this is the rectifier regulator unit. You can note the part number as well. So let's do a quick unboxing of this rectifier. As you can see, this is the rectifier, the right one for this bike, and I have got the CDI as well. So this is the CDI of this bike. It have 10 pins, and also got the battery. So let's go plug everything and see what happens. Guys, I have mounted the battery on the battery holder, as you can see, and I have bought the same zip ties as we have on our bike, and I have zip tied the battery with the cover. The shopkeeper told me that this kind of parts, such as the battery holder, takes a very long time to arrive. So I have bought this battery holder from a second-hand parts market. As you can see, this is a little bit cracked, but this will get the job done. So this is the battery mount for this bike. So let's go